In this video, I will give you a simple challenge to do, basic on what you have learned in the past, alright? Simple as this. You have to do an h1 element or h1 tag saying challenge, and on the next line, I want you to make me a paragraph, alright? Saying your name, introducing yourself, wherever you want, alright? And I want you to make this awesome line to separate these things. And I want you to say by h2, this is an h2 tag, alright? And I want you to say this is an image, and I want you to make an image, alright? Take any image you want. And I want you to go to the next line, make me this line. On the next line, I want you to make an unordered list with 3 list items, alright? You go to the next line with this line, and next line with a link saying go to Google. And if I clicked on that, it will take me to Google. Simple as that. Did you get this point? If you didn't, let me show you how to do it. Right now, what I did is basically I added an h1 element saying challenge, and I did a paragraph saying my name is Frank Jeff, and I make an hr, so make this line and we separate it. We make an h2 and saying this is an image. We go and make another thing called the image with the source of the location of this image, alright? And you can go to the next line. We make an hr, so we make this line, and we go an unordered list, and we make food, games, and stuff, alright? You can add wherever you want. And we go and make an hr below it, and we make a link to google.com. Don't you forget to include the https www.google.com, alright? And this is your challenge. See you in the next section because we have a lot to do.